In this video I would like to show you the watermark filter and all its options. Once you've created your account and you upload media, you will find out that your photos will not contain any watermark. Let's say that you want to change that. In the upper right corner, go to the settings menu, followed by the filter settings. Normally, the watermarker is disabled. First of all, let's enable it. Secondly, let's change the watermark image to our own company logo. And change the watermark settings. Now we have a watermarker enabled with our company logo. Let's preview that. Wow. As you can see, the watermarker is visible, however, it's very small. We can increase the scale by simply increasing the integer and save the settings. Let's see how it does now. That's a bit better. Let's say that we want to change the position from the bottom right corner to the upper right corner. We can change the position to right and top. Let's change it and preview it again. There you go. The offsets determine how many percentages the image has to go to the left or to the bottom. For example, if you change this to 10 and 10 and save it, the image will have moved more to the center. Once we have set all this and enabled it to our likings, we can try again and upload media. Once all the filters are done processing, e.g. once the spinner has finished, we can view the result. And there you have it, a photo containing a watermark.